Good afternoon, everyone. The recent AWS outage remind us that even the best cloud provider can fall. Digital recovery is not just about copying the data; it's about resilience. So today, I like to discuss about the more AWS outage thing, why it's happened, and how we can do the digital recovery strategy. How can we choose the digital recovery strategy to align with the AWS objective? So last this week, beginning of this week, hundreds website and app impacted due to AWS outage. For example, Roblox, Duolingo, United Airlines, Canva, McDonald's, Facebook, Slack, Pokemon, Prime Video, AT&T, Ring. So hundreds of sites goes down, impacted almost whole day. It was impacted due to AWS database failure. US East One. US East One is the biggest AWS regions. More than 30% traffic on depends on this website. This is the largest and this is the oldest data center owned by AWS. So I want to give AWS outage, and if it's happened, how you can take the disaster recovery plan. So, for example, every time we hear people say, "We'll just disaster recovery is come disaster recovery," they say we'll replicate for another region. But that is not disaster recovery study. That is only the copy of your data. As a solution architect, our job is to align RTO RPO with business need, choose the right DR pattern. There is a couple of DR pattern. One is backup and restore, which is you are copying data. Pilot light, this is the small workload to running with others regions. One is there is a couple of instance, couple of database, some database is running there. And multi-site active. That I want to show you in like if how will be protect your critical application during this situation happened this Monday. So if you have a mission critical workload, I usually go with active disaster recovery pattern. This is the most costly. You need to think, do you need this? Because you are costing almost double. So for this one, you should use Route 53 latency based routing. I'll explain the architecture later. Then you should use regional application load balancer with auto scaling group, each region, and you should use DynamoDB, Global Table or Aurora Global TV. And you should use the infrastructure code for automation and regular drills. This week, outage was real world reminder too. This was basically designed for failure. You did not test your recovery plan and automate everything. This is the reminder for everyone who are running their critical workload. So, if you see here, okay, each region. So, if you see here, I copy this one. RAS website, website. So I did not recreate this application, this architecture. So I'm just going to show. What I'm going to show here, if you see the Route 53, you are user going to browse the website Amazon. So it is running on the it has a database, it has a application logic, it has a front end, and this is all the things. So if it is only one region, if this region run on US East one, if this region goes down fully, I do not see like these three. Each region have 3 to 4 availability zones. I did not see like that one. I see the one or two data center is go down. But this is the first time I think after a long time I see the full data center it goes down. Okay, so see you need to run both websites. So what you will need to do, Route 53. If someone is come first Route 53, that that is distributed your traffic. It's working with geolocation or latency based. Okay, so if it's latency based, so if this is not good, it go to this area where it's running. So then each region you need to elastic load balancer with EC2 auto scaling group. Then you need to database. Okay, see, yeah, database replicated. You need to replicate it to other regions. Okay, it should be continuous backup each region. So see, this is if whatever is coming, it is all time use each one, use each two. So whatever data is here, it is running. So this is the way you can, but it has a cost because everything is redundancy. Everything is redundancy. Same I think the working. And last thing, infrastructure build. You should do infrastructure build with the Terraform for automation or failover. If something happen, you can do quickly to run this one. This is the all over today, but this is a great reminder for us to critical application, which we not allow 1 minute to goes down like financial transaction or another. We should think how we will do how we'll do the active. Um, we should choose the active and digital recovery plan, but it has an associate code. You need to remind it. You need to consider this one. Thank you so much.